Hey, what's up, guys? Today I bought some new RAM cards. This PC here, my Digital Storm Lynx, came with these two 8GB RAM cards, and they're just basic and they lag really bad. But today we're going to replace them with what I got at Best Buy. There's two 16GB Vintage Pros with RGB lighting here, and that's a total of 32 gigs. So we're going to put them in today. Well, let's go ahead and get to it. There's the old card, or a stick, whatever. Yeah. That one's in. Now we take the other one out. Same thing. Two of them. I guess they're Patriots. I never even heard of that brand. Anyways. If I can get them out of there. The packaging is good, I tell you that. Alright, we lock it into the bottom there. Are we in? And then slip it right into the top. Oh, I ain't got it in on the bottom. I see now. That's my bad. Sometimes it's going to be a little difficult with a phone in your hand. I'm going to set the phone down for just a second. There we go. Okay, and now that one is in. Okay, now excuse me as we hook this up. Alright guys, it's all hooked up. We got the RAM cards installed. This is the Digital Storm Lynx with the new RAM cards. And if we come up here, oh, wrong button, and we search RAM, we can view RAM info, and this will show us there. Installed RAM, 32 gigabytes. Well, we'll see if it does any good on Fortnite, and I'll let you know.